Why should you delete old social media posts?
Removing outdated or embarrassing content from your social media accounts can protect your privacy, reputation, and digital footprint. Old posts might not reflect your current views or could contain personal information you want to keep private. Taking control of your online history helps prevent unwanted attention and ensures your profiles present the image you want others to see.
How can you find old posts on major platforms?
Most platforms have search or archive features for reviewing your content. On Facebook, use the activity log to filter by year or type. Twitter lets you search your own tweets with keywords and dates. Instagram's Your Activity section provides a timeline view. Exploring these tools makes it easier to spot posts you might wish to remove.
What's the safest way to delete posts?
Always double-check what you plan to delete to avoid removing valuable content. On Facebook, use the 3 dots menu on each post for options like delete or archive. Twitter allows tweet deletion from the drop-down menu. Instagram lets you delete or archive posts under each entry's options. Regularly back up important data before cleaning up.
Should you use third-party apps to delete posts?
Third-party cleanup tools can speed up mass deletions, but use them cautiously. Only choose reputable apps and check their privacy policies to make sure your account information stays safe. Some platforms may limit what these tools can access, so manual review is still the best way to ensure sensitive content is truly gone.
How can you prevent future unwanted posts?
Think before posting and review your privacy settings regularly. Adjust who can see your content and enable features like review before posting for tags or comments. Consider what future you would want people to see and routinely check your accounts to keep your online presence positive and secure.